Yeah, this is my friend. I'm Gabby! Let me on the camera! Stop! Guys, stop! So we're at a sleepover.
And I'm Caitlin.
And this is part 1 of our sleepover, and we're just like, it's like the sleepover party. And yes, we just uploaded.
Meet Hannah.
Oh, Hannah. I don't really know Hannah, so yeah.
You know me a lot. You know me the most.
I think I'm sweating.
You know me the secondest.
Yeah. Hannah can be your friend.
Yeah, she is. What was I gonna do?
Or can
Oh yeah. So we just made the Monster High videos. See, they're all over the
Because
place.
we're awesome.
You just watch them. They're so awesome. Stop. Do you want people to hate this video?
Yes, I do.
we do.
No, I do not.
I do. People hate videos are so awesome.
Okay. Like if you hate this video. Hate if you don't like this video.
Please don't hate this video.
I know it don't make
if you like
sense,
this-
but we will one
If
day.
you don't like this video, press like, and then we'll see how many people don't like our video.
Yeah. It just makes sense.
Or
Okay,
just
guys?
do it the normal way.
Don't like
Or
this video,
not.
also comment something good.
Please.
Yeah, and today we're celebrating my birthday at my mom's house right now.
Yay!
Sayana, I hit this. I stepped on this. Dance moves. No, not you. Her. Yeah.